Welcome back to another video. Today we are bringing you guys along with us to the Calicreaming Car Show out in Bakersfield. We did get invited by Tinybot Vinyl. Those car owners who have the wrap on their car, Tinybot does this every so often where they invite us out to a car show. That way we can all, show our support and show off our beautiful wraps. So we're really excited to be a part of this. And ouch, if you guys didn't see the last vlog for the SoCal N Club and Nevada N Club cruise, check that out. You'll kind of know how that happened, but don't worry, a new bumper has already been purchased and in hand, so just waiting to get the wrap on. First things first, Dutch Bros, we need our coffee to get energized, and next is car wash. So yeah, stay tuned and follow us along. They say it's supposed to rain today from like 4, I think. Starting at 4, didn't it say?
Yeah. It was supposed to be at 11 at first, and then they switched it up to 4. So hopefully it just keeps getting pushed back.
Hopefully no rain, but... Which one?
This one right here, the TA.
Really?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's their user.
Yeah, it's gonna rain. We should probably get food before it rains. Yeah, at least a little something. What is here? Tacos? I'm down for street tacos. Yeah, I'll get some street tacos. You want some tacos? Hi. Can I get just, what do you want?
Yeah, I'll take one.
Can we get 2 orders of the asada tacos?
3 and explain.
Yes, please.
With everything.
Just the meat, just on one plate, just meat.
And the other one, can I just get the cilantro onion? No, thank you.
Right down here?
Thank you so much.
Go over.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Oh, cute.
Of course.
He's gonna go race today? Where are you racing? I don't know. I don't see anybody.
I think it's dragster.
Thank God we have this. We're just gonna have to move our stuff.
What's the range start to? And the good thing is it all comes to an incline right here. So once we're up here, nothing. Look at the dust over there. That was crazy. You're good. Get it out of your hair. You're good. Mine too. Mine too. It went in mine too. That was horrible. Did it or no? I can see the sand. Yeah. Don't even bite into it. We'll get something soon, okay? What the?
This might need to go up. I have rocks all over.
Oh, thank you guys, bro. You're the poor hobble guy. All these hobbles just go everywhere. I swear. And you know, over there, when we went over there earlier, I was like, oh, the wind doesn't feel too bad down here, you know?
Dude, we were walking and it was like nice and like it was cool.
Yeah.
And we walked maybe like 5 more steps, boom, it just felt like ocean weather.
Yeah,
Like,
it's
we
coming
were like,
through,
what the hell? And then the fucking wind just kicked up, his table went up, went everywhere. I'm like,
Oh, that sucks. Like, their shit looks like it's breaking too.
that'd be their second one. They said another one broke earlier today. Yeah.
There was a person over there who had like the stuffed animals and stuff. Everything's going over.
Oh,
We
yeah.
got lucky too because we came with our food. As soon as we got here, we were here
Dude,
for
my
like 5 minutes.
tacos are all with
Yeah,
sand.
they're all with sand because all the sand came up. But thank God we're here because this shit started picking up. I was like, damn.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? God forbid any of us fucking cars.
Yeah. I know I have contacts in all the freaking sand going in my eyes and shit. Like,
I told you, I was like, look this way, look this way.
God.
I might look funny, but seriously, there was a sandstorm. It's gonna rain any minute, and our freaking canopy was like flying away. So we literally had to hold on for dear life on it, and then thankfully some other people came to help us hold it. But dude, we might have to go sit in the car if it gets too crazy, but All right, you guys, so thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Calicreaming did actually give those who attended the car show metal placards of their car that were on their flyers. So that's actually really cool. I've never really seen that with the car show. Tinybot, thank you. Huge shout out to them for all their support and their love and for inviting us out to this event. It really was honestly one for the books. We are going to remember this car show. It was pretty intense with the weather, but overall, Henry and I definitely had a great time. And we wish we got to walk around more and record more of the cars there, but to be quite honest, that weather was so crazy that Henry and I were soaked halfway through the event. So we were freezing. It was still windy while it was raining. So we were honestly just trying to stay as warm as we could. And then so was everybody else. A lot of people were in their cars kind of just huddling up. So yeah, overall, a great experience. And thank you guys so much for your support. And we will catch you guys in the next one.